Hello children, Sujata Miss is back here with another short video about the chapter Water Resources. Now in this video, I am going to discuss why we need to conserve water and what are the different ways by which water conservation can be done. So, need for water conservation. Water conservation is very much needed due to, first point, increasing demand of water. Because, first point is, or first reason is, large and growing population. As a result, demand for water has increased. Increasing industrialization, rapid urbanization, and modern agricultural practices. Second point, pollution of water by domestic and industrial usage, fertilizers used in agricultural fields. Third point, wastage of water. And fourth point is uneven distribution of water. Thus, we see that water conservation is very much required and it can be done by number one, developing water saving technology, number two, preventing water pollution, and number three, promoting rainwater harvesting, water cycling, and reuse. In other words, water management. Now, what does it refer to? Water management refers to efficient management and conservation of both surface and groundwater resources. It includes prevention of runoff as well as storage and recharge of groundwater by various methods like percolation pits, recharge wells, bore wells, dug wells, etc. So, how we can recharge groundwater? By percolation pits, recharge wells, bore wells, dug wells, etc. So, water management means we are efficiently managing and conserving both surface as well as groundwater resources. Next, what is rainwater harvesting? Now, rainwater harvesting, it is the process of increasing the recharge of groundwater by capturing and storing rainwater locally in subsurface water reservoirs. So, rainwater harvesting means I am capturing the rainwater and I am storing the rainwater. Rooftop rainwater harvesting, it is a process of water harvesting in which rainwater falling on the roof is diverted through drain pipes, usually PVC pipes, to the storage container, usually underground. Now, objectives or advantages of rainwater harvesting. First one is meeting the increasing demand for water. Second, avoid flooding of roads. Third, raise the water table. Fourth, reducing groundwater pollution. And fifth, reducing the soil erosion. This is a very common question. They may ask you that give two advantages or give three objectives of rainwater harvesting. So you remember these points. Now children, in this video I am going to discuss few question answers. Give reason. First one, irrigation is needed despite the monsoon. The reasons are number one, rainfall in India is erratic, sporadic in nature. Number two, rainfall in India is unevenly distributed over the year and over the country. And number three, certain crops like jute, rice, they require more water. Next question, drip method of irrigation is the best among all modern methods of irrigation. The reason, because of drip method of irrigation, we have uniform distribution of water and minimum wastage of water through evaporation, as water is supplied directly to the roots of the plants. Next question. Canal irrigation leads to the ground around it become unproductive. Now, when we do canal irrigation, there's always a tendency of having overflooding. Now, due to overflooding, salt effluence is caused. As a result, the soil becomes unsuitable for cultivation. And next is problem of water logging. As a result, adjoining areas turn into swampy ground. Next question. Name two modern methods of irrigation and why it is becoming popular. Modern methods of irrigation: drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, tube well irrigation. Now they are becoming popular. Number one, perennial in nature. Number two, minimum wastage of water. Number three, no water logging. And number four, no soil erosion. Next question. Irrigation is important in the states of Punjab and Rajasthan. Now, why in Punjab? Because in Punjab, rainfall is uncertain. To grow winter crops or Rabi crops, irrigation is needed. Moreover, the soil in Punjab is very fertile and so it is rich in agriculture. Rajasthan, this area needs irrigation as it receives less than 25 centimeter of rainfall annually. Next question. Sprinkler irrigation is practiced in arid and semi-arid regions. Since water in arid region is very scarce and there is no loss of water as water is supplied through pipes, the sprinkler irrigation is important in arid and semi-arid regions. Next question. A tube well should be installed in a fertile and productive region. Tube well should be installed in a fertile and productive region so that the cost of construction and operation of the tube well, in order to operate tube well, we need cheap electric power. So the cost of construction and operation of the tube well may be recovered from increased farm production. So that's all in this video, children. Next Friday, I am going to upload a video where I am going to solve one topographical map. Now, water resource, this chapter is very simple, very scoring. So, children, do attempt this chapter. Thank you, children.